Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find the best methods to find products on the winning products on the market. So there is a lot of ways to do your market researches, and I will give you now the best way. So for example, I just found this product and it's now going trending on Amazon, and I started posted those two pictures just now to show you. So how did I found those? First thing, there's a lot of methods to find winning products. A lot. There's method that you can pay for some websites to do the researches and give you the best product of the month or of the year. Now, what I will give you is the free methods. And if you want me to give you the best websites that can work for you, if you're a dropshipper or affiliate marketer, just comment down below and I will tell you the best five websites to do that. First thing you have to do for free methods is once you create an Amazon account, you will find out these. And once all you need to do is scroll down and you will find here this one. Click on this product are selling fast and you will find the winning product here. And like you see here, this is the product that I start promoting, which is now going um, on home products. Is going viral. A lot of people now buying this product. Like you see here, all you need to do is here we have the description about the product that you can copy if you want to start dropship or affiliate marketer to this product. And this is the title, and this product now has more than, like you see here, what we need to do. And what I did is I did go to Pinterest and I searched for this product, and I found out a lot of this product picture. And I go to TikTok if and I found out this product TikTok. Now I started promoting this product on Pinterest, and I'm going now to start promote it on Instagram, and I will show you how I'm going to do that step by step. First thing, how did I found this product? I told you that I just clicked here on this product are selling fast. And this is an account that I did, for example, this 1 week. This is 1 week results. People are now clicking on my links, and I want to lead more traffic to those links because I did not do that much researches on my past product. Now I want to do more researches, and I will uh, show you how I'm going to do that. Now I started this method, which is this product are selling fast. I have this here and you will find it. I scrolled over this and I found out that I'm going to do home product niche, and I found that this product are going viral. Now there is a lot of other methods, which is you can go just to TikTok and click TikTok made me buy it, and you will find a lot of viral videos, or just you can click home products, and you will find videos that help in dropshipper or affiliate marketers to find the winning product. And like first thing you have to do is find a niche. You cannot find um you cannot go like randomly. You have to choose a niche, and there is a lot of other methods that I'm going to talk about in my next videos, which is product trends and how to learn from others. If you're a dropshipper or affiliate marketers, you will find a lot of others that posting new products. Just go and search on that new product and see if they are posting viral product each month. Just follow them if you don't want to pay for the websites they are using. Also learning from others, just not copy them, learn from them how they post, how they create their content. And also you have some keyword magic. Use words people are typing, like find what hot in searches. And Amazon bestseller, like I did, I found what everyone is buying on Amazon now, and I found out this product. Now I'm going to promote this product. Always pick stuff that's always wanted. This is the rule I'm following. Also, you have the customer review. You can read what buyers are saying, choose things people love and need. And also you have the smart marketing, create interesting content and plan cool ways to tell people about the product. I use ChatGPT for that, and I can also use my voice to record to that product. You have other things like looking at the numbers. Always look at the number. For example, like I told you at the beginning, look how much how much people buy this product, and how is the product, like the price of the product, is it high or not. Like, use tools that show how things are going, and see what's working and what not, like what need changing. Always look at the number, because always people are looking at the number. And now I found out this product. On my next videos, I will show you how you, the other ways, the free ways to find that the product. In this video, I showed you the Amazon method. Also, you have TikTok method. Also, you're always gonna find TikTok and Canva to find videos and edit your videos if you want that. Now I'm going to click, for example, I want this one here. What I'm going to do is, for example, I want this. Just gonna copy the link of this, and this is the video that she's using. I'm going to TikTok made me buy it, and I will take this video. I'm sorry, I'm going to TikTok download video, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to download this just to show you. Now I'm going to download it. And I can now go to my Instagram, and I will now post that video. First of all, you have to know that I use Linktree, so I have to put the link of this product on my Linktree first. But first thing I will do is I will just click here on this. Now I can see what. So, for example, I want this, and I'm going with this. Now I can go with link in bio, and I will put the link in bio after the video. I will put it on my link tree. If you don't know what is link tree, just tell me. It's the website that you can put a lot of links just in one link. So if you are using Instagram, for example, you cannot use a lot of products. You have to use link tree. So let me know if you want a video about that. And now I can write a description that I did on my chat GPT. So like you see here, chat GPT give me the title, and also give me the description. And like you see here, I did took the this, which is the title with the description. Now I can put some hashtags, and I will just click on publish, and hope this video was helpful a little bit for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you